Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got x plus 1 divided by x equal to square root of 2. And now we are going to find the value of x power 2024 plus 1 divided by x power 2024. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on our given equation. X plus 1 divided by x equals to square root of 2. And here I have copied it down. And now we are going to take a square on both sides of this equation, on this side and on this side as well. And now let's recall this famous identity. A plus b whole square could be written as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. And we are going to apply it on the left hand side of this equation. If we assume that x is our a and this 1 divided by x is our lowercase b, then our left hand side could be written as x square plus 1 divided by x whole square plus 2 times x times 1 divided by x equals to, on the right hand side, this square and square root, they undo each other, so we simply ended up with the 2. And now we can see this x and 1 divided by x, they cancel each other out. So therefore we are ended up with the x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 equals to 2 on the right hand side. Let's go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides. This is gone and this is gone as well on the right hand side. So therefore we got x square plus 1 divided by x square equals to 0. And now let's go ahead and remove this fraction by multiplying across the board by x square. Now let's go ahead and distribute. So this is going to give us x square times x square is going to give us x power 4 plus x square times 1 over x square is just going to give us 1 equal to 0 times x square is going to give us 0. And now let's go ahead and move this 1 on the right hand side. So therefore we are ended up with the x power 4 equals to negative 1. And now this x power 4 equals to negative 1 is going to help us in evaluating this given expression. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this x power 2024 only. And here I have copied it down. And now let's focus on its exponent 2024. Let's go ahead and tweak this number. 2024 could be written as 4 times 506. So therefore we can write this one as x power 4 times 506. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. If we have two nested exponents, x power m and n, then we can multiply out these exponents. So therefore I can write this thing on the right hand side as x power 4 and then a whole power 506. And now let's focus on this x power 4. We know our x power 4 equals to negative 1. So therefore I'm going to replace this x power 4 by negative 1 over here. So therefore we can write this one as negative 1 whole power 506. And now we can see that this 506 is an even exponent. And just keep in your mind, negative 1 power any even number is going to give us positive 1. So therefore we are ended up with just simply positive 1. So therefore our x power 2024 turns out to be 1, and I have just copied it down over here. And now let's go ahead and find the value of 1 divided by 2024 as well. And now let's focus on this equation once again. Let's go ahead and tweak this one. I can write these one by just putting a 1 underneath it doesn't make any difference whatsoever. And now let's go ahead and flip both sides over. So the left hand side is going to give us 1 divided by x power 24 equals to, this is same as 1 divided by 1. And now 1 divided by 1 is same as 1. So therefore we are ended up with 1 divided by x power 24 equals to 1. And here I have copied down over here as well. 1 divided by x power 24 turns out to be 1 as well. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the value of this expression, x power 24 plus 1 divided by x power 24. And here on the right hand side we already figured out x power 24 is 1, and likewise 1 divided by x power 24 is 1 as well. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks over here. So this is going to give us 1 plus 1, which is going to be equal to 2. So thus the value of this expression turns out to be positive 2. So that's our final answer for x power 24 plus 1 divided by x power 24 turns out to be positive 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.